to Dwell, Garth Heads in Newcastle in 2018 and I haven't looked back since. I moved in because it was one of the cheapest ones around, it's super close to university and I fancied a change of scenery. As well as super friendly staff, Garth Heads has a really rustic site but it still feels very much like home. My flatmates are lovely, everything is really big, I've got a double bed so I always get a perfect night's sleep. The communal spaces even offer Sky Sports, darts, pool, there are bean bags, we've just got Just Dance on the PlayStation. It's everything you could ask for. But don't just take my word for it, I'll show you around. So we've got some lush outdoor spaces which you can enjoy all year round. And then in Blocky, we've got the gym. The gym has all sorts, we've got treadmills, we've got ellipticals, we've even got cable machine, and then upstairs there are 2 weights rooms and all the mirrors you could ask for. And then if we go to the other side of the courtyard, we will see the communal spaces. So in here we've got the PlayStation, lots of places to hang out. There's a bathroom there just for convenience. Through here is, it's either a pool or a snooker table, I never know the difference. Another room to play in. The darts board's just there. I'm bad, but I enjoy playing it, so. Then we have this room. Don't really know if it has a name, but it says chill out there. So this is where you can chill out. There's the Sky Sports on that television, there's some board games over here, magazines over here, and lots of bean bags if you want to just kick back and relax. I would and already have been recommending Dwell to my friends. It's cheap, it's only 5 minutes Northumbria University. I timed it. It's in a brilliant location, not too loud, but it's right next to the metro. There's the Manors, there's also bus stations. What more could you ask for? Hope to see you soon.